Be careful of what you label yourself. Be careful of the hashtags that you use. Why? Because the devil is checking hashtags. And what I mean is this, all day when I scroll through my feeds on various social networks, I see like # Christian, # godly this, # godly couple, # godly man, # godly woman. That's great, but I'm telling you this, when you label yourself something, the devil says, we're going to see. We're going to see. He's going to tempt you. He's going to test you. You're bringing unnecessary temptation upon your life by labeling yourself one of those things. Yes, we should all strive to be godly men, godly women, godly couples, godly this, Christian this, but we shouldn't say it. That should be for somebody else to say about you based on your actions, not your words. You shouldn't have to label yourself a Christian because we don't care what you say. We care about how you live. True Christianity is not about saying it. It's about living it. People listen to Jesus because Jesus lived it. He's a representation of what he says. His life, his words mirror what he's actually doing. He's not walking around saying, I'm a Christian, godly man, godly son. He just lived it. And if our job down here is to imitate Christ and to be like Christ, then we need to quit putting hashtags on our own life. We need to quit telling the world how good of Christians we are. We need to quit telling people how spiritual we are. We need to start living these spiritual lives. We need to start being these Christian people. We need to start exhibiting these Christian relationships, these Christian couple, these godly this and godly that. We need to live that. So I'm telling you, quit using these hashtags to tell people who you are. Quit trying to frame your life so that people, God's not impressed by a hashtag. So telling God, # godly couple is not going to denote in heaven God to be like, oh, okay, I didn't know. Thank God for telling, thank me for telling me that you're a godly couple. He's looking at your heart. He's looking at your actions. So you're not fooling anybody. When you do that, you're just trying to do that for people. If you're doing it for people, you're ultimately going to fail. You're ultimately going to fall. So if you really want to please God and you really want to do this, do it by example, not by hashtag.